If you wanted to send $1,000 to one of our people in Gaza, how much do you think they would actually receive? Let's calculate it together and see how Israel uses an economic weapon called drying up liquidity. Let's start with the first step: transfer fees from the sending bank, the intermediary bank, and the receiving bank. Approximately 5% goes immediately between converting the dollar to the form of the Israeli currency, as it is the currency used there, and the fees of the beneficiary bank and international transfer fees. This means $50 is deducted, which is normal. We are left with $950. This is the amount that will reach the banking application for the beneficiary's account in Gaza, who should be able to go to any money changer and withdraw it in cash. Here you might say the money has arrived, but no. In the Gaza Strip, 56 bank branches have been wiped off the map and 94 ATM machines have been destroyed. The only way for a person in Gaza to get their money that has arrived is to start a journey of searching for a money trader and transfer the $950 through the banking application from their account to the trader's account, who takes a commission of 30% to 50%, sometimes even 40%. This means about $380 is deducted, leaving $570, so almost half of the $1,000 reaches them. This is not a coincidence. It's called drying up liquidity, an economic weapon Israel uses against people in Gaza. It prevents new banknotes from entering the Strip, and money itself, which is the medium of exchange, has become a rare commodity. The situation has become so tragic that people are repairing damaged banknotes to continue buying with them. And they have resorted to bartering like in the old days: a camera exchanged for a bag of flour, and cans of peas exchanged for cans of fava beans. All of this happens on Facebook and WhatsApp groups. We are explaining this not to stop aid or donations. On the contrary, whatever little aid gets through makes a huge difference to them. Our people in Gaza need every dollar, and we must know the challenges to find solutions and help them.